All right, everyone, this is Vishal from Equity Guru, and welcome to Technical Tactics, where we break down some of the best looking charts on the stock markets and financial markets today. Palantir, PLTR, I guess it's one of the WallStreetBets or meme traders' favorites, and a lot of people love this as a long-term hold. We're going to be talking about a trade opportunity, a potential way to get in. Maybe you're going to be holding for the long term, but it's an entry regardless. And I want to show you first the daily chart. For a few weeks, we've just been ranging here between the $21 and the $23 zone here, and we're going to break it down on the 4-hour chart. But I just want to show you guys that my moving average looks like it's about to cross over, but just not yet. And this is why we are patient and we wait for the breakouts, because if we don't break out, this is what can happen. Look at that sell-off. Probably trapped some of the buyers, so we still remain patient, but it is a basing pattern and we just wait for the trigger. So I want to go down here on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to draw this trend line here connecting the lows, and some of you guys might know what that is. That is called a descending triangle. It's actually technically a bearish pattern because many people see the downtrend, we rise a bit, and then people potentially see that we break down and we head lower to $18. So $18 is our big support zone. But now basically we're going to watch to see which way Palantir breaks out or breaks down. The breakout trigger is still, we need a nice close above 2270 here. So this resistance zone, if we can get that candle break above next week sometime, then we'll be good to go. And as you can see here, we tried 3 times, but we just couldn't do it. Alternatively, if we do get a body close, a 4-hour body close below this triangle, there might be some panic. Well, maybe not too much panic, but this is what I would like to see. We might see, the candle close. We might see a pullback to retest those levels. That might trick some people, but, we just sell off again. That's generally what happens on retest. Or if that breakdown is a fake out, we tend to move higher. And what I'll be also watching is what the NASDAQ does, because obviously the tech stocks will be impacted to what the NASDAQ does. We had a breakout into all-time record highs yesterday. Today's close back below, so we might be drifting a bit lower there on the NASDAQ, which might not be too good for some of the tech stocks, including Palantir itself. And of course, folks, look at that. We do have earnings, and earnings are coming out on the, did it say 6th of August? It's not 6th because earnings didn't come out today, but it is sometime next week. I see 12th here on TradingView. This is what happens with some of these companies. Sometimes the earnings date is not set, but it looks like we're getting earnings on the 12th or sometime next week. So that will also be a market moving event. And look at what happened the last time Palantir delivered earnings. We actually were in a downtrend and we did bump up, but then 2 earnings report ago, we fell instead. And then a year ago, we pumped up. So let's watch to see. This is a stock that obviously is very popular and traded a lot by traders and even the long-term guys, because it is seen as one of those best sort of stocks for the long-term hold. But as I said, we have a trade set up here. We are basing, and now we just be patient to wait to see which way we break out, and hopefully it is to the upside. All right, folks, that's it for me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If there's any other charts, financial market charts you want me to cover, stocks, cryptos, commodities, do let me know in the comments below. Where do you think Palantir is going? Do you guys think we're going to get a breakdown, or do you think we're going to get a breakout and move higher? Let me know. I want to know what you guys think, so please leave your comments. But that's it for me, folks. Definitely follow all of Equity Guru's social media channels in the description box below, and I will see you next time.